Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to import plugins into WordPress in just 5 minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official WordPress site. As you arrive on the homepage, take a moment to observe the layout, which is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to locate what you need. Once you are familiar with the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the website where you will find the login option. Click on this login link to begin the process of accessing your personal WordPress dashboard. This step ensures that you are properly authenticated before proceeding with any changes or updates to your website. After clicking login, you will be prompted with an option that allows you to sign in using a popular third-party account. Select the option to continue with Google. When you do so, you will see a list of available Google accounts associated with your browser. Choose the account that you wish to use to access WordPress. This integration with Google streamlines the login process and saves you the hassle of remembering additional credentials. Once you have successfully logged in through your chosen Google account, focus your attention back on the main administration panel. From here, locate the section for managing plugins. You will need to click on the link labeled Plugins, which will take you to the section where all of your current and available plugins are listed. This interface is where you can manage, update, and import plugins that enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. Within the plugin section, direct your attention towards the upper right corner of the screen, where you will see an upload option. Click on Upload to start the process of importing a new plugin to your website. This action opens up a file selection dialog on your computer, allowing you to choose the plugin file you have prepared for installation. Remember that this step is essential if you wish to extend your site's features with custom or third-party plugins not available in the official repository. It is important to note that you must have a business plan subscription to be able to upload your own plugin. This subscription requirement is in place to ensure that only qualified websites are running custom code, thereby enhancing security and performance. Before proceeding with your upload, please verify that your subscription plan meets this requirement. Taking a moment to confirm your plan can save you from unexpected setbacks during the import process. This concise yet comprehensive guide has walked you through each action required to successfully import a plugin into WordPress. Every step, from navigating the homepage to verifying your subscription, is designed to be straightforward and accessible. By following these clear instructions and utilizing the tools available within your WordPress interface, you can quickly and confidently enhance your website with additional functionality. Enjoy the seamless process of managing and importing your plugins on WordPress.